Question number 21. Simplify 4 upon 5 minus 3 upon 10 divided by 1 upon 2. Given question is 4 upon 5 minus 3 upon 10 divided by 1 upon 2. First, 3 upon 10 divided by 1 upon 2. 4 upon 5 as it is minus 3 upon 10 and divide change in multiplication, that is 2 upon 1. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 1. 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. That is 4 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 equal to base equal, then 4 minus 5 divided by 5, that is equal to 1 by 5. Answer. Given question is 4 upon 5 minus 3 upon 10 divided 1 upon 2. First of all, we are solving 3 upon 10 divided by 1 upon 2. Divide sign. According to board mass, 3 upon 10 divided by 1 upon 2. 3 upon 10 divide change in multiply, then reciprocal of 1 upon 2 equal to 2 upon 1. This will be multiply. And 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. So we get 4 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 and base is equal. So 4 minus 3 upon 5. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 and that is equal to 1 upon 5 exactly. Equal to 1 upon 5. Answer. Next question 22. Simplify 5 upon 9 divide in bracket 1 whole 1 upon 3 plus 4 upon 9 bracket close plus 3 upon 8. Given question is 5 upon 9 divide 1 whole 1 upon 3 plus 4 upon 9 plus 3 upon 8, that is equal to 5 upon 9 as it is, divide sign as it is. First we solve bracket, that is 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4 upon 3 plus 4 upon 9 plus 3 upon 8. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 4 divided by 3 plus 4 upon 9 as it is. And LCM of 3 and 9 equal to 9. So 5 upon 9 divide, LCM is 9 and 9 multiplied by 4 divided by 3, that is 4 upon 3 into 9 plus 4 upon 9 into 9 plus 3 upon 8 as it is. 9 9 is cancelled. This is divisible by 3 and 5 upon 9 divide sign. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 4 upon 9 plus 3 upon 8 equal to 5 upon 9 divide 12 plus 4 equal to 16 divided by 9 plus 3 upon 8, which implies divide change into multiplication, that is 5 upon 9 into reciprocal of 9 upon 16. 16 upon 9, its reciprocal is 9 upon 16 plus 3 upon 8. 9 9 is cancelled and we get 5 upon 16 plus 3 upon 8. LCM of 16 and 8 equal to 16. So 5 upon 16 into 16 plus 3 upon 8 into 16 divided by 16 LCM. This is cancelled and 8 2s are 16. So in next step we get this is 1, 5 1s are 5 plus 3 2s are 6 divided by 16 equal to 6 plus 5 equal to 11 upon 16 answer. Given question is 5 upon 9 divide in bracket 1 whole 1 upon 3 plus 4 upon 9. Bracket close plus 3 upon 8. First we solve bracket, that is 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4 upon 3 plus 4 upon 9 as it is. So LCM of 3 and 9 equal to 9, and 9 multiplied by 4 divided by 3, that is equal to 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. And second step plus 4 upon 9 into 9. 9 9 is cancelled and we get 4 into 3, that is equal to 12 plus 4 into 1 equal to 4 plus 3 upon 8 as it is, 5 upon 9 as it is. Divide 12 plus 4, that is 16 upon 9 plus 3 upon 8, and divide change in multiply. So reciprocal of 16 upon 9 is 9 upon 16, and 9 9 this is cancelled. 5 upon 16 plus 3 upon 8, 5 upon 16 plus 3 upon 8, LCM of 16 and 8 equal to 16. So 16 multiplied by 5 upon 16 and 16 multiplied by 3 upon 8. This is cancelled, 16 is cancelled and we get 5 into 1. 8 2s are 16, 3 2s are 6. So we get 5 1s are 5 plus 3 2s are 6 and divided by 16. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 upon 16 answers. Next question is question number 23. Simplify 1 upon 3 of 4 whole 1 upon 2 minus big bracket 3 upon 5 plus curly bracket 2 upon 3 divide bracket 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 bracket close, curly bracket close, big bracket closed. Given question is 1 upon 3 of 4 whole 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3 divide 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 bracket curly bracket and big bracket closed. First we solve 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3, that is equal to 1 upon 3 of 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3 divide 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2, that is 3 plus 2 upon 3 2s are 6 in bracket and curly bracket, big bracket closed. First we solve 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3, that is in bracket, and directly cross multiplying 3 into 1, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 into 1, 2 1s are 2 divided by 3 2s are 6. So 5 upon 6. Next step is 1 upon 3 of 9 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 upon 6. So divide change in multiplication, then multiply sign, and reciprocal of 5 upon 6 will be 6 upon 5. Three ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. This is cancelled, and 1 upon 3 of 9 upon 2 minus bracket 3 upon 5 plus 2 2s are 4 upon 5. 2 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 and big bracket. 1 upon 3 of 9 upon 2 minus LCM of 5, that is equal to 5, and 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Of means multiply. So first we solve 1 upon 3 into 9 upon 2. This is cancelled by 3 minus 7 upon 5 as it is, which implies 3 ones are 3 divided by 2 ones are 2 minus 7 upon 5. Minus 7 upon 5 as it is, but 9 divides 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 ones are 3 and 2 ones are 2. 3 upon 2 minus 7 upon 5. Cross multiplying both sides, LCM will be 10, which implies 5 3s are 15 minus 7 2s are 14 divided by 10. 15 minus 14 equal to 1 upon 10. Answers. Given question is 1 upon 3 of 4 whole 1 upon 2 minus big bracket 3 upon 5 plus curly bracket 2 upon 3 divide bracket 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 bracket close, curly bracket close, big bracket closed. First we solve 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. LCM of 2 and 3 equal to 6. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 ones are 2. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 5 upon 6. And 1 upon 3 of 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 as it is plus bracket 2 upon 3 as it is divide. That is 5 upon 6. 2 ones are 3 ones are 3 plus 2 ones are 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 upon 6. But B change divide in multiply. Reciprocal will be 5 upon 6. Reciprocal will be 6 upon 5. And which is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. But 2 twos are 4 upon 5. 2 twos are 4 upon 5 in big bracket only. 3 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5. But LCM is 5 and 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 1 upon 3 of 9 upon 2 as it is minus 3 plus 4 is 7 upon 5. Of means multiply, but 1 upon 3 of 9 upon 2, 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. 9 3 ones are 3 divided by 2 ones are 2 minus 7 upon 5. But LCM of 2 and 5 is 10 and 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14. Difference of 15 and 14 is 1 and we get 1 upon 10 answers. Next question, question number 24. 2 upon 3 of bracket 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 8 bar. Bracket close divide 3 upon 2 equal to. Given is 2 upon 3 of 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 8 bar. Divide 3 upon 2. That is equal to, first according to BODMAS rule, first we solve 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 8 bar. 2 upon 3 of as it is and 1 upon 4 plus LCM of 2 and 8 equal to 8, and 1 upon 2 into 8 minus 3 upon 8 into 8. Divide 3 upon 2 as it is. But 2 4s are 8, 8 is cancelled, and next step is 2 upon 3 of 1 upon 4 plus 4 1s are 4 minus 3 upon 8. Divide 3 upon 2. 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 3 upon 8. That is equal to 1 upon 8. Next step is 2 upon 3 of 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 8 plus, divided by 3 upon 2. 4 minus 3 is 1 upon 8, and LCM of 4 and 8 equal to 8. So 2 upon 3 of LCM is 8, and 1 upon 4 multiplied by 8 plus 1 upon 8 multiplied by 8 divided by 3 upon 2. This is cancelled by 2 and this is cancelled by 1, which implies in next step 2 upon 3 of 2 1s are 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. 3 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 2 of next step is 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 8. Of means multiply, and this is cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 divided by 3 upon 2, which implies 1 upon 4 into divide change in multiply, reciprocal of 3 upon 2 will be 2 upon 3. So we can write it as 2 upon 3 and cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We get 3 into 2, 1 upon 3 2s are 6. Answers. Given question is 2 upon 3 of 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 8 bar. Bracket close, divide 3 upon 2. First we solve bar. LCM of 2 and 8 is equal to 8. 1 multiplied by 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. And 3 upon 8 multiplied by 8, 8, this will be cancelled and we get 3 1s are 3. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 upon 8, and 2 upon 3 of, as it is, 1 upon 4 plus 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. 1 upon 8. Divide 3 upon 2. LCM of 4 and 8 equal to 8. But 8 multiplied by 1 divided by 4, that is equal to 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And 1 into 8 divided by 8. 8 is cancelled, and in next step we get 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. 2 upon 3 of as it is, and 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. 3 divided by 8, and divide sign 3 upon 2. Of means multiply, and 2 upon 3 multiply by 3 upon 8 first and divide last. So 3 is cancelled, 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8 divided by 3 upon 2. 1 upon 4 divide change in multiply, so reciprocal will be 2 upon 3. 3 upon 2 change in 2 upon 3, and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we get answer is 1 upon 6. Next question is question number 25. Simplify 72 divide 9 of 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 into 1 whole 1 upon 2. Given 72 divide 9 of 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 into 1 whole 1 upon 2. First we solve of. According to BODMAS rule, of first divide second, multiply third, and addition last. In this question, 72 divided by 9 into 1 upon 3. Of means multiply, and that is 3 3s are 9 plus 2 upon 3 as it is into 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 upon 2 equal to 72 divided by 3 plus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 2, and divide change in multiply, so 72 into 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. 72 divided by 3 is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. 24 3s are 72, which is completely divisible by 24. So we can write 24 plus 3 3 is cancelled, 2 2 is cancelled, that is only 1. So 24 plus 1 equal to 25. Answer. Given question is 72 divide 9 of 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 into 1 whole 1 upon 2. In this question, first we solve 9 of 1 upon 3. Of means multiply. 9 multiply by 1 by 3. That is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 72 divide 3 plus 2 upon 3 into 1 whole 1 upon 2 means 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 upon 2. And 72 divided by 3. Divide sign change in multiply. So 72 into 1 upon 3. 72 divided by 3, that is 24 times. 24 into 3 equal to 72. So that is 24 plus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. 3 3 is cancelled and 2 2 is also cancelled. So we get only 1. That is 24 plus 1. 24 plus 1 equal to 25. Answer. Thank you so much.